Hello, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead. And obviously the big story for this Wednesday is Hurricane Zeta. Still a Category 1 hurricane as it is approaching the coast of southeast Louisiana. Right now the center, as of this recording, shortly after 2 o'clock this afternoon, located about 75 miles off the coast. Again, it is moving towards the north-northeast. Looks like right now it's about 70 miles away from the coast, moving towards the northeast at around 18 miles per hour. So we're looking at landfall probably sometime pretty close to 6 p.m. as far as the center. The northern eye wall likely will move onshore a little bit before that. So we will see landfall expected late this afternoon, early this evening, and that's probably about the closest that Zeta is going to get to our area. We'll see the storm continue to move basically in this path towards the north and east, and because of that, its impacts on our weather somewhat negligible. What will be impacting our weather is basically the same upper level disturbance that I've been talking about for the past couple of days. As we look at the overall pattern, you can see it moving into northwest Texas right now. Ahead of it, we do have the areas of showers. One thing to point out to you is that we do have a lot of dry air which is being sucked into the bottom of the circulation, so we'll see the rain wrap up here this evening. We actually could see some clearing tonight over the southern sections of the area, but as the system moves past, the clouds will basically rotate back down to the south into our area tomorrow. And I'll show you that right now with Futurecast. As we take you through the next couple of days here, you can see the areas of rain that will continue to spread across the region basically this evening. And notice the clearing trend indicated basically from I-20 southward here across northwest Louisiana and East Texas late tonight. That won't last long, as tomorrow the clouds will return. You will notice a gusty westerly and northwesterly wind tomorrow. At times we could see those gusts approach 30 miles per hour, and then those clouds finally will move out tomorrow night, and that'll set the stage and begin an extended period of quiet weather here for our part of the country, as we very well could see 2 weeks of sunshine, if not more, the way things check out right now. Meantime, as far as the wind, I mentioned the gusty winds that we could experience tomorrow. Here's a look at the gusts expected from Futurecast here, and if you look at the numbers, you can see in spots we could see those gusts approach 30 miles per hour. Definitely looking at gusts of 20 to 30 with the sustained winds of 15 to 20 miles per hour. So a very windy day on the way for tomorrow, and because of the clouds, temperatures will be well below normal, as we'll see lows tonight with the clearing trend perhaps in the low to middle 40s across most of the region. 43 in Shreveport, 42 in Texarkana, 41 degrees in Marshall, and with the clouds building back in, we only struggled to make it into the mid-50s across the area for the most part tomorrow. 55 in Shreveport, 54 in Texarkana, with perhaps that morning sunshine lasting longer in Natchitoches. May make it to 57 for the daytime high there. And then longer range, we kind of settle into that quiet weather pattern with below normal temperatures. In fact, some of the coldest air of the season potentially on the way here to head into the early part of next week. Look at your 7-day forecast, shows that we will see again the cloudy sky across the area for tomorrow. And then with the sunshine returning, we'll see highs return to the mid to upper 60s Friday through the weekend. Lows will be in the low to middle 40s. Another reinforcing shot of cooler air arrives Monday. You can see only 61 with sunshine for the high Monday, and then Monday night we could see lows in the mid to upper 30s across the area. And then we'll begin another solid warming trend back up into the 70s by the middle part of next week, and we will likely stay in the 70s for highs for the rest of next week, heading into the following week as well. And obviously things looking pretty good for Election Day as well, with again lots of sunshine, temperatures in the upper 60s. So for the most part, we are looking at the end of the rain later on this evening, and then we begin an extended period of dry weather with below normal temperatures for most of the week ahead.